Hi, I'm Mrs. Ronning. I teach math, science, and PE and French to my homeroom. I am dressed in orange for Orange Shirt Day, where we recognize the Indigenous peoples having to go to residential schools. Um, this is where I sit at the front of the room. You can see some of the kids have decorated for Halloween. We're getting some Halloween decorations up today. We have a party group. We have who are decorating the room for Halloween. We have a birthday group to celebrate everyone's birthday. We have a homework group who writes the homework on the board and makes sure everyone writes in their planners. Currently on the board we have opposite. It's opposite. Anyway, currently on the board we have demographic forms need to come back. Meet the teacher tonight at 6:30, and the Terry Fox run is on Friday. And we have some more decorations in our tree. We have some spiders. I hate spiders. We are in the science lab, which is fun. And then we have the Wall of Fame on our door. On behind me, you can see sticky notes from students saying how the person on the Wall of Fame makes a difference in the classroom or the school or to you. And currently on the Wall of Fame is Sally. Ask your student who Sally is. She came and did a science lab. And then out in the hallway, hold on, before I go out there, I'm going to put my mask on because that's what we do at school these days. And out in the hallway, we have lines on the floor showing which way to go and which side of the hall you should be on. Walking on the right side, single file. Yes, I know they should know this already, but you know, lines and visual things always help. And as I go down the hall, I'm going to show you our puzzle pieces that we made with our names and things that we like. Outside, show everybody who we are. Yeah. Back inside the classroom, we have sinks. Thankfully, we have the lab, so we have lots of sinks that we can use. And the floor is lined where you can see in green the 2 sinks that we use to wash our hands every day when we come in. And that's about it. Looking forward to a great year with your students. And if you need anything, just send an email to Abbey Schools and we'll get right on it. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye.